Hey, what's going on there, Mr. Fresh Rinse? All right, help, I'm gonna help you out here. All right, here's I have a Zeta 40P, okay? Here's where my water is gonna go into the system. And my mix goes here. I have a loop system here, okay? Now, you can see that valve right there? Okay, that's water coming from the buffer tank. Okay? And it's coming to the proportioner and it's going into the water. Okay? Now I have a loop system. This hose here is coming out of the top of the buffer tank and it's going to the other side of the proportioner system. Okay? This is like a Moonshine unit. Okay? I have a chiller in the tank. So the hose comes out of here and it loops, the water's coming out, it goes into the machine, into the AR, then it goes out and dumps into my hose, which is coming down here. Okay? I have the second one on here just so I can do a test and see how strong my stuff is. And I have it sitting right back here. I just pull that out of there. Okay, so let me go ahead and show you what else happens here. This hose here that hooks to the SH goes all the way up to the chlorine tank over there. Okay, now I have a valve system right now. If I wanted to get chlorine out of this tank, I would turn my valve this way so it would draw out and in. This is the chlorine line. Right now I got it from way down there. Let me walk over here. Now I'm able to use all three tanks for chlorine. Okay, right now the valve is pointing this way. So it's drawn out of here, out of this tank, and it's taking it down that way, going in there, and it's going down to the AR. Now I'm calling mine an AR. It's going down to my Zeta 40P. Now if I want to pull chem out of the middle tank, I just switch this up. Now it's going to pull out of there into here, and it's going to go around, and then it's going to go down the line. Okay, all right, now let's get to the Moonshine chiller part. Okay, this is my valve. It's open. Water's coming from the tank and it's going that way into the Zeta. This is my dump, so when I'm running it I can dump the system out right here, just whoop, and it'll clean all this out and dump everything out for me. Okay, let's climb up here real quick. Excuse me. Okay, in Florida it's hot, so most water is nice and cool coming out of people's wells at 72 degrees. So I have it's a Moonshiner, it's a chiller, and then you can see it comes out there and it goes out this way. Okay, so it comes out of the top and it goes over to that other side to the proportioner. All right, and this is the chlorine line, which comes down and goes to the proportioner. This is my soap line, which runs back to the back where the soap tank is. Hopefully this is helping you. Okay, now here is the loop system I'm talking about. This is water as well. So you got water going in, it comes through, it goes out, it goes this way, back down, and it goes into the AR, my Zeta 40P. Okay, so your hookup, you run your main water line from here out of your unit, bring it on down and hook to your proportioner block. Okay, so here's coming from the chiller up to the tank. This is coming from the Zeta. Okay, this line here is coming from the tank that goes into this side of the water valve. Okay, And then your soap, it runs all the way back here. Here's my soap tank, right here. Hopefully this helps you out. All right, we'll go one more time. This is the loop system. This comes from the chiller. See? The chiller runs through there, and then it comes out the top of the buffer tank, and it comes to here on this side of the proportioner, okay? This comes from the Zeta, my Zeta 40P. This runs over to here, where your water hookup is. Okay, and the loop system goes right there, so everything is being fed that way. And once you start feeding chemical in there, it's just going to get into the loop, it's going to come around, it's going to go in, it's going to go out, down the line, and then this thing just dumps out. I don't think I dumped it. Okay, so I just want to dump the system. It's just going to dump out. You always want to dump that quick. You don't want to, you know, take your time doing it, because you'll lose the prime. Anyway, hopefully that helps you out there, Mike. If you need anything else, let me know, buddy, and I'll get after it for you. All right. Get plumbing now.